Here is a wonderful 2018 Honda Odyssey. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Take a close look at this Honda Odyssey. It's the dynamic family minivan that sets the standard for safety, comfort, and convenience. From its smart technology to its ingenious passenger luxuries and powerful performance, this family vehicle has your back. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Powerful, agile cargo hauler meets safe, comfortable family oasis. Drive the Honda Odyssey.